Okay, let's take a look at HCF and LCM, but with an algebraic twist, which might sound a bit strange because we usually find in numbers when we do this, but stick with it and you'll see how it works. So we've got this question here: find the HCF and LCM of 6ab squared and 3a squared b. Alright, so let's just have a look and see how those numbers break down. And I've done here 6ab squared. So prime factors, remember, 3, and that divides that down to 2ab squared, and then of course 2, which just leaves me with ab squared. Now you can't identify numeric factors here, but the letters themselves are factors, and so if we divide by a, that leaves us with b squared, and b squared comes from b times b. So that would be how to break that down into its prime factors. And in a similar way we would look at 3a squared b divides by 3, and then the a squared b divides by a to leave ab, and that finally breaks down into a times b. And if you remember from the previous video or your own studies, when we are looking for matching pairs, we're looking for the HCF, the highest common factor, and in this case the matching pairs between both of those terms are 3, a and b, and so the highest common factor is 3ab. The highest powers, well, 3 is the highest power of 3, 2 is the highest power of 2, the highest power of a is a squared, and the highest power of b, also b squared, and so we end up with a lowest common multiple of 6a squared b squared.